Let's say you're editing a photo in Nikon NX Studio and your subject has an eye. For me, that's most likely to be a bird. And let's say you want to brighten the catchlight, which is the reflection in the eye. How do you do it? First, zoom into 100% so you can see what you're doing. Then click on the Color Control Point tool, which allows you to do local editing. If you haven't used this tool before, check out my other intro video. Now click on the catchlight. A point will appear. To see which area will be affected by local editing, click on Show Affected Area. The lighter areas are the ones that will be affected. Obviously, it's too large right now, so reduce the affected area with the size slider. Typically for the catchlights, you'll have to use some amount pretty close to the minimum. Now, move the point around so that the area around the eye is minimally affected, and typically this will happen near the brightest part of the catchlight. Note that you won't always be able to completely restrict the selection to the eye. It's a limitation of NX Studio, but it's not a big deal because the falloff of the effect is gradual, and the overall adjustment will almost always look natural. Okay, now that we've selected the area to be modified, uncheck Show Affected Area. You can also deactivate the New Points tool by clicking again on the Color Control Point icon. I do this to help me see the adjustment better because it's so small. Now gently drag the brightness slider up a little. Usually, a value between 10 and 20 is best. You don't want to overdo it and make the bird look like a mind-reading alien though. It seems to me that around 15 looks good here. Now zoom out. By checking and unchecking the Color Control Point activation box, you'll see that we added just a bit of brightness to the catchlight, which adds a bit of sparkle to the eye. Of course, not all photos need this operation. Some catchlights, like the one in this bird, are already quite bright and don't need further brightening, so use your best judgment. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, but if you didn't, consider taking up sponge photography.